All right, I'm on my ads manager now. So we want to create our ad. Okay, please pay attention very well. Okay, so there are some basic things you have to understand first. Okay, we have our campaign level, we have our ad set level, we have our ad level. Okay, so campaign is where you determine, is where you select what you want to do, what you want to achieve. Do you want people to buy your product? Do you want people to sign up? Do you want people to just like, comment and share your post? Okay, that's where you select that. But for this case, you want people to buy. Your ad set is where you set your interest. Okay, what kind of people do you want to target? What are they interested in? So that way you put your interest. You know, I explained that you find the interest you want to target. Okay, people that are interested in things you know that are related to your product. For example, if you are selling a weight loss product, you're targeting people that are interested in weight loss. Okay, all these gym activities. Okay, you are targeting those people. All right, your ad level is where you do your creative. That's where you create what people will be seeing on Facebook. Okay, and we've already created that on our Facebook page. Okay, so once we get to this level, we'll just select that post that we created. All right, so for this case, let's start from here, from our campaign. So you click create. Okay, so for this purpose, you should be going for conversions. Okay, you should be going for conversions, but there's this thing with Facebook. Okay, the more, once you run an ad, okay, the more people that interact with the ad, maybe comment, share or like, excuse me, okay, the more people that engage with your ad, okay, the more Facebook will propagate your ad to more people. I don't know whether you get that concept. The more people that are engaging with your ads, okay, then the faster Facebook will send out your ads to people. The faster Facebook will place your ad in front of more people. Okay, for example, if people are sharing your ads now, okay, you will get organic reach, because other people, or their friends, or the friends of people that are sharing your post or your ad will be seeing your ad also. Okay, so Facebook will be showing more people your ads. All right, and that's the advantage of creating an engagement ad. Okay, an engagement ad. But most times I don't go for that. Okay, but if you want a better result, you can create an engagement ad. But for this purpose, we are going for conversions because we need sales. Okay, we need sales. So you hit conversion, you scroll down, you select name your campaign. Okay, you name your campaign here. You say weight loss. Okay, your ad set now, I used to name my ad set the name of the interest. Okay, for example, weight loss. Okay, weight loss. Okay, that's the interest I want to target. Okay, so for your ad, you say post 1. all right, the reason for post 1 is that you can create 2 posts and test which of them will perform well, the way you are testing for interest. Okay, I'll show you that, don't worry, I'll show you that. So you hit continue. Okay, so once you hit continue, to bring you here where you can now edit all the process. So you scroll down, please, campaign budget optimization, please put this on, always put this on. Okay, put this on so that you can manage your money. Okay, so here, campaign budget optimization, any budget you set here, let's say 3,000. okay, most times I don't go below 3,000. okay, 3,000 naira now. So on your ad set level, even though you have 4 ads, the 4 of those ads will be sharing this money. Okay, but there's a limit. There's a limit of ad set you will create for this 3,000 naira that Facebook will not run the ads. That means the budget is too small. All right, so with this 3,000 naira, you can create like 3 ad sets or 4 ad sets. Okay, you can, that's 3 different interests or 4 different interests, because you are using 1 interest per ad set. Please use 1 interest per ad set. I will explain that now. Okay, so once you change this, the next thing you want to click is next. Okay, you click next, so it will take us to our ad set now. Okay, we are coming to our ad set level. Okay, now, so we are on our ad set level. You see ad set name, I named it weight loss. Okay, because I want to target weight loss in this ad set, and that's the only interest I'll be using. All right, that's the only interest. So here, your pixel, you must have installed your pixel correctly on your website. All right, you must have installed your pixel correctly on your website. Okay, so once you've installed your pixel, the event you want to choose is purchase. All right, so you choose purchase. Please, this purchase, you can you know, once you install your pixel, please do this for your purchase to be green, because it has to be green, okay? But it's not compulsory, although you can still choose it, but make sure you install that purchase very well on your website. I will explain that, or maybe I've explained that in previous video or after this, I don't know, okay? But I will explain that how you can install your pixel correctly, so that once you come to your ads and you select this, sometimes it will be green, okay? What you can do to make it green is that once you've installed the pixel, go to your website, place an order by yourself, okay? You can place an order by yourself, maybe from your phone. You can place an order by yourself. Your pixel will fire, it will fire the purchase, that okay, somebody made a purchase, and then this pixel, this one will turn to green. You can give it some minutes, some hours for it to change to green. So once you have a just one, okay, you know you did it by yourself, so it's not actually a real purchase, okay, but you just want this thing to be green. But even though it's red, it will still run well. But you can see your ad may not be optimized for conversions because we haven't received any activity from the conversion you selected at all, or in more than 14 days. So if you have not, if any action has not been taken based on this pixel, then it will be red, and then Facebook will tell you they want is don't mind this statement. You can even remove it, don't mind it. But most times that's what I do. I place an order myself to make sure this thing is green. All right, so now you scroll down, and then where the work starts from is here. All right, your audience now, that's where it starts from. All right, so you come here, the first thing you want to edit is your location. You click edit, okay. You can target the whole of Nigeria, and you can target your own region for faster delivery of your product. All right, so you can target Lagos, you can target anything. So if you want to target anywhere, you can remove Lagos, you can remove Nigeria here. Maybe there's a specific place you want to target. All right, okay. So if there's a specific place you want to target, and you want most of your orders, you want your orders to come from that place, what you do is to click this people living in this arrow. You just click it, and then people living in this location. All right, just do as I'm doing it, okay? People living in this location, and then you come to your location. You can say Lagos. All right, you can say Lagos. Okay, sorry, you can say Lagos, Nigeria. All right, so you target Lagos, and then you scroll down, you see your age, okay. This, it might be tricky sometimes, but you know, you want to sell a product, maybe high ticket product. Maybe you want to sell a product of, let's say, 15,000 naira. You know, the people that are below the age of the 18 and below, or 20 years old, they might not be able to afford it because they are not working yet. Some might be able to afford, maybe they can get the money from their parents, but mostly you want to target people that you know that yes, you is highly those people are highly able to buy your product, okay. So you just click edit. Most times I start from 25, 24, 25, okay, depending on the kind of product. Sometimes I even go as high as 28, okay. This it depends on the kind of product, but you can still put this to, you can still bring this down to 60 or 55, okay. You can still bring it down to 50 or 65, 55 or 60. all right. So your gender, depending on the kind of product you want to sell. Weight loss, both man and woman will want to reduce weight, okay. Detailed targeting, yes, this is where the interest comes in, okay. So now, you know, I told you in the API video that Facebook will only show you 25 interest based on your keyword, okay. So now I want to, you know, I told you I want to target weight loss, okay. Weight loss, okay. So if I paste it here now, it will bring it weight loss, okay. This is the one I want to go for. Weight loss interest, fitness and wellness. This is the one I want to target. Please take note of this, please. You see interest. Some of these things will not be interest, okay, but here is interest. Some of them will write demographics, some of them will write behavior, some of them will write job title, employer. Please look for the ones that are interest, depending on how you want to, depending on the kind of product you are selling, depending on the kind of service you are rendering. But for this purpose, we are targeting weight loss. All right, so once you select this, please, this is the only thing we are selecting. This is the only interest we are selecting. All right, so now some people just come here and add many interests. For example, so now if you want to get other interests that are related to this thing, okay, if you want to get other interests that are related to this thing, what you do is click suggestion. Okay, so you see other ones that are related to this. You see health and wellness, diet, food. Okay, but if you count all these interests, it's not more than 5. It's not more than 25, sorry. All of them, they are not more than 25. Okay, and this interest is what will be available to another person that want to target weight loss. Okay, so those people will be able to target all these people too, and then that's all. So for those that don't know about Facebook graph, if there are too many people that are targeting the same interest now with the same kind of product, that means there will be high competition. Okay, that means they will be competing in this interest. The people here now will be seeing your ad, they will be seeing another person ad, they will be seeing like 10 different ads of the same product. All right, so now the competition will be high, and that's why you will get high cost per purchase, because Facebook will favor those that are spending high, and those that are spending less will not be favored. All right, so what you want to do is to use the tool to get other interests that are not available here. Okay, so once you get them, you can come and target them. It will reduce the competition and then help you to reduce your cost per result, cost per purchase. All right, so please use one interest. Please note all these things I'm saying. You can watch the videos again. Okay, if you don't get anyone, you can hit me up. Okay, use one interest per ad set, and once you do that, you see this box here. I usually tick it. Sometimes I usually untick it. So if you untick it now, it will give you the actual number of people, okay, that are interested in this particular interest. So we have 140,000 people, which is okay for you to target because you are targeting just Nigeria. Okay, so you can just leave this audience like this potential reach. Okay, those are the number of people that you can reach based on this interest, based on the age you selected. Okay, so now you can leave this, but if your audience is small, you can put on this one, and then you scroll down, leave this one to automatic placement. Okay, let Facebook do the placement for you, whether Instagram, Facebook feed, Instagram watch, Facebook watch, all those stuff. Leave it at automatic. Okay, and then that's all you have to do here, and then you hit next. Okay, you hit next. Please take note of these things and then follow it squarely. If you don't understand anything, please let me know. All right, okay, so once this one loads up, okay, you see our post one. All right, we have Lidoria hair solution. No, okay, so we'll go and select the page. Okay, we'll select the sales the Facebook page that we created the other time. All right, what did I call the name again? Okay, I think Victory no, not Victory Store, my store. Okay, I think I named him my page. All right, my page, look at it here. All right, my page. All right, so once you select my page, okay, you will now come down here. After selecting that page, you come down here, you see ad setup, you see create ad. Okay, that's if you want to create the ad from scratch, you select create ad. But if you want to select that post, okay, you come here, you click this arrow, this button here, then you see use existing post. Use existing post. This will enable you to select that post that you created the other time. All right, so you come down, it will select the post. You give option to select the post now. Okay, so you select your post, create okay, select post now. All right, you can see the post here. Okay, that's the post. Do you want to save? Okay, so you select the post. Okay, you continue. All right, so once you select your post and you continue like that, you scroll down. Okay, so please don't forget this add button. Please don't forget add button. Okay, that's the action that people will take on your post. Once they see your advert, you add it here. All right, Okay, so here you can leave it to learn more. Most of the times I use learn more, but at the same time we have multiple options that you can select from. We have shop now, we have sign up, you have subscribe. Okay, you can see book now, apply now, contact us, subscribe, watch more, okay, learn more. All right, so you can use anyone, but the two main ones to use is learn more or shop now. Okay, learn more or shop now. Learn more or shop. Look at the shop now. Okay, those are the two that I use most times. Okay, but I use learn more most of the time. I use learn more most of the time. All right, so once you select that, here your link, okay, your sales page link now is what will be here. Your sales page link, that's what you will put here. All right, please take note of that. Your sales page link, that's what will be here. So you can come here, okay, right click, I'll copy the link, okay, all right, and then paste it here. Okay, okay, so once you paste it, you then hit update post. Okay, you update post, you update post. Okay, I hope you understand all these things I'm doing. All right, so once you update post, then you are done. All right, you are done with what. Okay, you can see the preview here, you can see the preview. This is how your ad will show to people. You see sponsored, this is how your ad will show to people. And the next thing you want to do is to hit your publish. Okay, that's the last thing you want to do. Hit publish, and then once you hit publish, instead of being in draft, it will now be in review. Okay, and once Facebook review it for some minutes or hours, then once they approve your ad, then you expect it to run and then bring in orders for you. Okay, so that's how to create your ad. All right, but then I want to show you something quickly. But since I don't have an active ad, that I don't have an ad created on this okay, I'm gonna do something right now. Okay, so I want to show, wait, all right, so I want to show you how to duplicate an ad. All right, how you can duplicate an ad. So if you want to test 2, 3, 4, 5 interest, okay, so now if you want to, for example, firstly, if you want to test maybe 2 different posts, once you create your first complete ad like this, okay, from your campaign to ad set to ad level, once you create the first one like this, okay, you see it's in draft because I did not publish it. What you want to do is to come here on your ad level, because you want to test another post. Okay, so this, if you, okay, let me do it like this. If you come to this ad level, all right, come here, click duplicate. Okay, so once you hit duplicate, okay, there's another duplicate here. Is this is still the same? Okay, so depending on the number of ads you want to test, okay, because it's good to test 2, 3 different ads to see the one that will perform more. Okay, you don't just assume, you test it. So you must have created another post, you click duplicate. Okay, you select duplicate, and then it will take you to the edit page again of that new duplicate now. So there, what you will just do is to select another post, okay, that you've created. Okay, so you can see everything will be the same. Everything here now is the same with the previous one, but what we want to do is to use another post now, not the same post that we used the other time. Okay, so you scroll down, you see use existing post. Okay, it's already, everything is the same as the previous one. All right, so once you go to, okay, so once you scroll down, you just change post here. You click on change post, then you select the second post that you want to use, and then once you select that, please don't forget, you come and add your button, add the button. Once you click on add button, it will tell you to select the button you want, whether shop now, learn more. You click that, and then you put the link, the same link the same link that you chose the other time. You put the same link and then you hit publish. Okay, so once you hit publish, okay, you must have published two ads now. All right. So I'm gonna close this. So you will see the two of them. You will see them. Okay, you can see two ads. We have two ads now. All right, two ads. We have copy and post one. So most time I used to change the name. I will do post 2, post 1, post 3, depending on the number of ads I want to create. So now the next thing, now for you to test our ad sets, now for you to test different interests, please first of all duplicate your ads before duplicating your ad set. So now once you've done this, you come back to ad sets. Now you just click on this place, this ad set, just click on it. You see that you have one ad set. One ad set now has two ads. All right, we have two ads on one ad set now. So now we want to have another ad set. So because this ad set now is already having two ads, if we duplicate this ad set now, automatically it will have that duplicate will still carry that two ads. All right, so now come here, duplicate, or if you select it here, you can click duplicate. So you click duplicate here, and then depending on the number of ad sets you want, just say 1, 2, 3, but for this case I'll just do 2. I'll just use 1, and then we have two ad sets. You click duplicate. Please leave it to original campaign. Leave it to original campaign, please. You are not duplicating your campaign. All right, you are not duplicating your campaign. Okay, so once you do this, you come here, ad set name. You edit the name to the name of the next interest you want to target. Okay, so let's come to our stuff here. You see health and wellness. Okay, I don't want to use that. I want to use something like weight training or weight or Olympic white. Okay, so you can find interests that are not very very common on very common. Okay, extreme weight loss. I think I like this name, extreme weight loss. You see Weight Watchers. Okay, these are good interests you can target. So let me say Weight Watchers, those that watch their weight. Okay, so you see Control C. All right, I copy that and I go to my ad set level. Okay, I put the name here first. All right, Weight Watchers. Then you scroll down. All right, the only thing you are changing here now, that's what I want to show you. That's the only thing you will change. You scroll down to your detailed targeting here. You click edit. All right, and then you remove this one. Okay, you remove this one, cancel this one, and then put the new one you want to test. Now put this one here, and that's all. Please, that's everything you want to do. That's all you want to do. Okay, sorry, you put it here. You see Weight Watchers. Okay, you select it. Interest, please make sure you look at what I was telling you the other time. You see employer now. No, don't choose that. Go for the interest. Okay, interest. All right, so once you select that, that's the only thing you are selecting for this ad set. This is a new ad set now. All right, so as you can see, we have just 38,000. This is what I was saying. This is very very low. It's very very small, but it's a good interest to target. Okay, you just come here and select detailed targeting. Reach people beyond your detailed targeting selection. Okay, so once you select that, you see your potential reach will increase. All right, so once you do this, you come back here and hit publish. All right, you come back here and hit publish. So once you hit publish, you have two ad sets. All right, you have two ad sets like that. All right, so this is how you do it, and then you can get. So for example, if I select, you see Weight Watchers now. Weight loss was the first one. Weight Watchers. If I select Weight Watchers now, if I select this one now, and then I will go for the ad level now of this Weight Watchers, you will see that I will have two. You see that we have two posts. There's two ads now under Weight Watchers. This one is for weight loss. This two is for weight loss. This one is for Weight Watchers. Okay, so that's how you create your ad. All right, that's how you create your ad. So thank you very much, guys. God bless you for watching. Okay, that's how you create your ad. Please, if you don't understand anything, please let me know. All right, please let me know. And once you start running your ads for, let's say, 24 hours or more, you can always hit me up with your results, so that we check and analyze it for you. All right, thank you very much guys, and God bless you.